What's going on, you guys? It is Snapshot Fan 19 back on your screen, bringing you another video in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below to join the Amtrak crew today. And today we're in a big blizzard, and we need to go to the grocery store because I heard there's some stuff that I need to pick up. So yeah. So we're gonna head out, and now we're going to be driving our beautiful Mercedes Maybach. I just got it ready to go, and it's brand new in gold, and I'm ready to roll. Guys, leave a comment down below what your favorite dream car is. Uh-oh, I hear the police. That does not look good. Just gonna go 50 miles an hour on the road. Alright, you guys, we are now on the road again. Oh my gosh! I have to back up and tell that guy what happened! Sir! Ah! Sir, excuse me! That guy coming after me. He needs to go back to Laney Way and drive to school. Uh-oh, I hear the police coming for me. I'm scared. Alright, you guys. Now we're going back to the store to buy some stuff, and oh my word. There's almost no stuff. It's almost literally bare. It's so sad. Almost literally bare. Buying all this, and I bought all of them, and I got all my stuff at the cart. Now I'm gonna pay, and they said it's free. Good day. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna load the stuff into the Maybach, and I'll be heading on my way home. Alright, now I am loaded in the trunk, and now it's time to head home. Alright guys, we are now heading on the way home, and I need to turn around. Whoa! Oh my gosh, the road is so icy. Whoa, mamma mia! How can I get home on time? Yeah, I need the police. And I'm lost. I don't see the houses. It's foggy. And I missed it. Whoa! 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 Mamma mia! Oh my word! What in tarnation? I need to get the police here. Need police. Lost. Alright, I just got the police, so I am lost right now. I'm stuck on the road. My car can't go home. I'm lost again. I'm lost again. What do I do? Whoa. I am stuck. How am I gonna get home on time? Sir, I'm waiting for the police. I'm just lost in the snow. I can't go home. Wait, what? Why, sir? I know, sir, but I'm waiting for the police. I can't go. I'm lost in the snow. I can't find my home. What do I do? Good thing the police is on its way through. That guy's driving like a maniac. He needs to go back to Wanny and driving school. Whoa! Oh my word. How am I gonna get home? I need some help. Where's the police? When is the police when we need him? Help me! Help! Somebody help me! I am lost! I am totally lost and scared because there's a big blizzard. How am I gonna get back home? I called the police and I got really stuck. I need help. How am I gonna get back home now? Alright guys, we're now waiting for the police. So, yeah, I just can go home by myself. Oh. Nope, that guy went past me. I tried to honk him for help. I am so lost. How am I gonna go home? Now I'm lost again. Help! Help me! Help me! Sir, thank you. You saved the day. Thank you so much. Alright guys, the dog is here to clear the road. He's gonna guide me home. Help me! Oh no, there's a big blizzard. It got pitch black. How am I gonna go home now? Where's the police? Sir, I'm lost. I can't go home. Hey, sir. Oh my word, these guys are looking like maniacs. Whoa! That Lamborghini is just a maniac. So I'm totally stuck in the middle of the blizzard. How am I gonna get home? Wisconsin State Patrol when we need it. I think I need to call 911. Call. Help! Help me! I'm stuck! I am lost and I can't go. Oh no, I am lost. This is a disaster. I think I should sell my house. finally home. And I need to take shelter again. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna park the Mercedes Maybach in the garage. And then I'll go in the end door, and then I'll head home. I'm gonna turn on the switch. Oh no, someone's in trouble. Alright, I'll open the door. There we go. I stored all my stuff. And we're finally home. And guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe down below to join the Amtrak crew today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.